welcome to this physics tutorial. Today we're going to talk about the force of weight, or what an object exerts on the ground or the surface beneath it. So for example, this example tells us that a car exerts a force of 14,700 newtons onto the road. What is the mass of the car? So first of all, let's draw out a picture. So if we have the surface of our road, and we have a car sitting on top of that road, that tells us that it exerts a force onto the road. And we know that every object on Earth has weight. And weight, remember, is mass times gravity. And so when it tells us that it exerts this force onto the road, the force that they're referring to is the weight force. So that's the key point to this whole problem. So they tell us that weight is 14,700 newtons, and it wants us to find the mass. So we need to solve this equation that we've written down for mass. And on Earth, we remember that gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared. So all we need to do is plug in the values that we know and then solve for m. And when I divide this over, I get a mass of 1,500 kilograms. And that's it. That's how we solve the problem. So when you are asked to find things, think about the force that's present and see if it's a force similar to one that we've talked about. In this case, it's similar to the weight force. And we can solve then this problem using what we know about weight. Good luck.